All right, what's up, folks? It's Lou from LoopholeMarketers.com and MakeMoneyOnlineWithLou.com. Today I am doing another recap for like an income report, I should say, actually, for February. This is still looking at the results from my 2020 YouTube case study, where I uploaded 52 videos in total, and I think out of that 52 there were about 20 something that began to convert. And I'm still generating money from those videos that I uploaded starting in March of 2020, and over a period of about 6 months I uploaded those 52 videos, and those are still converting for me and still making money. So I want to document that, as well as the results that I get from my 2021 case study. So let's jump right into this. So as you can see, $348 is what I made last month in the month of February with ShareASale. All right, the month before, in January, it was $211. So you can see that that's growing. And let's see, so that's that. And this month so far, as you can see, $93 already, and it's only been 6 days in March. So that's looking really, really good. And I hired someone to actually begin to do my reviews for me. I basically just gave them the same videos that I give to the people who are in my 2021 case study. And he used those and learned the methods, and now he's doing my videos for me. And they're actually already beginning to convert, just not yet with ShareASale. Actually, you know what? One of the commissions in February was from him. It was just a lead though. So I think it was like $1. So someone signed up for the program literally days after he uploaded the video, or I uploaded the video he recorded. So now I have somebody doing my reviews for me. So I'll be able to pump out even more content, almost as much content that I produced last year during my 6-month case study. He'll be producing that amount of content, almost that much per month. So it's going to be interesting to see how that turns out. So this is what I've done so far this month. I expect that to grow, of course, and hopefully we'll reach at least back to 4 again this month, because it goes up and down as it grows. And then you reach this point where all the work that you've done compounds, and then you just kind of take off, and it just continually builds and builds and builds. And I think we're on like the precipice of that point right now with all the content that's coming out. All right, so $93 for this month so far with March. Now this is Commission Junction. This is what I did in February with Commission Junction. It says 114, but this 25 right there is actually, excuse me, that 25 right there is actually not from the case study or any of the work that my virtual assistant or I have done. That's from a totally different method that I use to make commissions. So that 25 doesn't count, so it's $89 that you're seeing. But this 50 right here is actually the first larger commission, or let me just say the second commission that my virtual assistant has generated. So the video that he uploaded here is actually from 2021. And I think it took around 2 weeks to get this conversion. So his videos are already showing me that they can convert. So I'm very excited to see where this goes. $50 in 1 day from my virtual assistant. So that's kind of great. And like I said, he's doing about 6 months work in a month for me. So the conversions are going to start to come in. So that's the first one. So I'm excited about that. These 2 commissions are from in the video recap, like the year recap for 2020. I talked about a product that was making, I forgot how many sales it made, 5 or so sales. And then the video disappeared. And I said that I was going to re-upload that video and it'll be right back where it was at and start making money again. Well, this is that video. So now that's right back where it was at and it's making money again. And I had my virtual assistant review that same product. So now we have 2 videos out there. So both of those will begin to generate conversions. So that's really cool. So, and these are from videos from 2020 as well. So that's coming in. So let me see here. Okay. Now this is just, this has nothing really to do with the case study. This income is from videos I did in 2018. And all that just to say that this is the power of the internet. This is the reason why I do this. and I like to spread my income out among other platforms the way that you see me doing it, where I can make 500 here, 400 here, and let that combine into a full income. Because before I made $30,000 in 1 year with this network, which is one product. What you're seeing is the income from one product. I have to block that out that I just did. So what you're seeing is the income from one product here. And in 1 year, I made $30,000 from this product. I was making around $1,000 to $2,000 a week. And then competition moved in, and that brought my income way down. So now, as you can see, $400 a month. That was a very valuable lesson. I lived off of that income from 2018 through 2019 because it was I was making about that. I was making that much for about 2 years. I traveled the country. I lived off of that income. And then when it started to go down, I hadn't diversified myself enough because I got complacent once I hit the jackpot with this one. But what that taught me was, what this network specifically, what this product taught me, was to focus on affiliate networks that don't have much competition. And that's one tidbit that I'll give you for free there. So that's what this is. This is just another one of those. But these videos, I haven't done anything to this in years, but I still make money from it every month. So that's the goal, to create that type of passive residual income where you do the work once and it continues to pay you forever. And the videos that you upload to YouTube act as employees that work for you 24/7, 365 days a year. That's the goal. That's what these videos do here that created this $400 for me last month. That's what those videos do. They work for me. They're employees. All right. So I'm going to pause this so I can adjust the screen, because the next thing I want to do is look at the YouTube channel for my 2021 YouTube case study. And I'm going to adjust the screen so that there's less editing for me to do after this. Okay, so here we are on the YouTube channel that I'm currently using for my 2021 YouTube case study. If you were a part of that case study, you would actually be able to see these videos because I'm going through this step by step with students in that case study. So they get to see everything that I'm doing, the products that I'm picking, the keywords that I'm using on my videos. They get to know when it converts and all that type of stuff. I show them the sales and the traffic and the clicks and everything. So they see me build the campaign right in front of them, and then they can duplicate it as well while they're learning the process. They can just do what I'm doing and learn the process in the same time. So they're being educated, but the work is also pretty much being done for them. The steps are being laid out, so that they can follow that and get similar success to what I get. So just imagine if you would have been a part of my 2020 YouTube case study, you would have been able to watch me build the campaign that generated $348 for me last month, right? You would have watched that happen, and you would have been able to reap those type of benefits and also learn the process that I'm continually duplicating. The same process that I was able to teach to my virtual assistant from the Philippines, who now does the work for me, right? You'll be able to do the exact same thing. Hire someone to do the work for you and teach them adequately enough to be able to get your own conversions. That's what you would get if you were part of my 2021 YouTube case study. I'm going to say that over and over and over again. And the link to that, of course, is in the description of this video, underneath this video. Let's see. So as you can see, some of these, all right, so these are the two new videos here. Uploading those yesterday, actually. And these videos were done by my virtual assistant, not me. And he's going to do the rest of the videos for this as well, so that I can churn out more content that I'll be able to do myself, because I've gotten kind of busy. So these are the videos. As you can see, these are the views. 50 views here, 43, 5, 20. And as you can see, these were uploaded February 10th. These are actually the videos from January. But what happened was my channel got suspended. It got suspended when I went after, I started to try to do the Digistore products. And I guess I was doing too well, and competition flagged my videos. And I put in an appeal, and they didn't approve my appeal. I don't understand that, because I didn't violate anything. So I don't understand that. Those are kind of things you have to deal with, which is the greatest part about having, like documenting this entire process, because my subscribers got to see that And I told them, I'm like, you know, this is why I wanted to do this, so that you could see me reach this hurdle, because this is the type of hurdle that would typically remove someone's inspiration to continue to go. And I want you to see me continue to move as if that hurdle never existed. Because once you can do that over and over again, once you can endure that, once you can make that a habitual thing, you're unstoppable, right? One of my very first lessons from the internet was that once my YouTube channel was deleted in 2000 and I think 8 or 9, somewhere around there, all my money stopped and I had to do it all over again. And then the money came back. And I said, well, if I can do this, I'm unstoppable. So that's what I did. I re-uploaded the videos. I duplicated them with the software that I talk about in the course. And I re-uploaded them. And now they're getting views again. Some of them are getting more views than they were getting before. So it's actually, it kind of helped in a sense, because I was able to readjust my keywords and find better keywords to get more traffic based on what I knew from the work that I did in January. I was able to like compare and contrast and then find better keywords to get more traffic. And these are also getting clicks too. So that's good. And I'm looking forward to seeing where the new videos go. I'm applying to newer networks, other networks, more affiliate programs, and I'm just going to upload a bunch of videos and content. Okay, so I think I could pause this again and I'll expand the screen so we can look at the reports in the next screen. 1 second. Okay, so this is the network that I am currently generating the most traffic for with my videos. But this will expand, of course. I think I'm done with this network because I don't know if there's other programs to really review that I like. So I'm going to expand to other networks and continue to review those and upload those. So the reporting thing is probably going to get a bit more complicated because it's going to be coming from so many different networks. But I'll try my best to keep up. But 22 clicks is what I generated last month. I think in January it was 29 based on the previous channel that got suspended. So we're kind of right back to where we were. And I think we might be doing a little better actually, because one of the other the product that's driving the most clicks wasn't driving any clicks before. And that is the one that I thought was going to do this. So now it actually is doing this because I found the right keyword, right? And the people who were watching that, they got to see me do that and readjust and get to see the results. So I'm pretty sure that that product will be the first one to convert out of this, out of my 2021 case study. And I'm expecting a conversion from this work sometime this month. That's typically how it happens within the first 90 days. But we did have a little setback in February, so we'll see. But that's what I'm expecting. So far this month, we have 4 clicks. 2 of those clicks come from the product that I said I thought was going to drive the most, drive the first conversion. So it's looking right, you know. So, and I think that is the one here. Yes, it is. The one with 61 views, 2 likes, 3 comments. One of those comments is mine talking to someone who was asking a question about the product. And that's the beauty of this, right? When you understand how to review products the way that I do it, people actually find value in the content that you're giving. It's very hard to do that. Honestly, it's hard to do that with like a Digistore product or a ClickBank product because you haven't, you can't get the information that you need to actually speak to someone's needs. It's kind of hard. That you would have to really understand reverse engineering to be able to do that. But this way is much easier. That's why my virtual assistant was able to pick it up so quick, because it combines reverse engineering with another technique. So yeah, so 61 views so far, and it's driving clicks, and I'm pretty sure because of this user interaction, it's going to get sales. So yeah, and this is actually the other one that's driven the other 2 clicks that we've gotten so far, and 43 views, 1 like. So that lets me know that that's getting positive interaction as well. So I'm just going to continue to build on that. But that's the point of this video, was to just kind of show you that. I left this side open here, but that's okay. I'll just blur it out. But yeah, okay. I think that's everything that I wanted to cover in the video. Of course, like I said, there's a link below if you want to join my 2021 YouTube case study. No pressure, of course, because as you see, like I'm going to make money regardless of whether you join or not. But if you join, I can't say that. I'm not allowed to say I can guarantee, but if you join, imagine where you'll be knowledge-wise, how much content you'll have created, and how much money you'll potentially have earned by the end of this year. That's how I'll put it. If you join now, there is additional bonuses, additional case studies. There's a ClickBank case study, a Commission Junction case study, an Amazon case study, an SEO course. There's a mindset portion. My 2018 case study is on there as well. And I took 2019 off because, like I said, I was traveling. And then my 2021 case study is up, and just uploaded the first video for March today, going over what I just did with this work here and how I'm going to get back, into the swing of things for March. So if you want to be a part of that, use the link below. Yeah. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next update. All right. Peace.